Push notification, section 8. In this section, I'm going to take a look at actually the push notification fundamentals, and therefore we are going to send a request to our user and get subscription, and also show some notification and the messages to our user. Then we are going to store the user subscription to our database and in the backend and make it secure. Also, we are going to send some notification from our server to our user. And at the end of this section, we are going to have some kind of cleanup in our subscription list for our user. Push notification fundamentals. In this video, I'm going to take a look at how push notification works. So let's imagine that we have a website and we are opening that in a browser, and then we are sending the request permission to our user, and then our user is going to give us the permission to send the notification. Then the browser is actually going to send this request to a push server, which in this case is browser vendor push server. And then we are going to get subscription endpoint or a push API endpoints. And that means from now on, we can send the server, we can send the notification to this push API endpoint, and then the browser and that push server is going to send this data to our user. So we can actually store this data in our backend and make it secure. And through our service worker, we can communicate and listen to the push. And whenever our server actually sending or calling this endpoint, then we can listen to this in the browser in the push event and then show the notification in our client browser. So that's a very simple example and explanation about how push notification works.